Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make keto or no dal sambar. This is especially for people who are in keto diet or people like me who have intolerance towards dal. So these are the ingredients used in this dal, inshallah. In a pressure cooker, melt about like half tablespoon of ghee and add quarter cup of onions. I've said half cup of onions, but here I'll be using only quarter cup of onions, and I will be sauteing it for a couple of minutes. I'm adding quarter cup of tomatoes. For the full dish, I need half cup of tomatoes, but I am using only quarter cup of tomatoes now, and I'll cook it for like another minute or so, and then I will be adding the chopped bottle gourd or loki. You can saute it a little, and then I will be adding a cup of water to it. Now I'll be adding green chilies and all the spices. The red chili powder. Here goes the coriander powder. And now the cumin powder. Season it with a little salt to it. Now close the lid and pressure cook it for about 4 to 5 whistles so that the bottle gourd is cooked properly. Once done, I'll open and see if it's cooked properly. And then with the use of a potato masher, you can gently mash the bottle gourd with it. So if you don't like bottle gourd, you can also use yellow pumpkin or white pumpkin or ash gourd. So for instead of to replace it with the dal. So if you feel that it's difficult for you to mash it with the masher, you can also blend it. Eventually I blended it and I added a little water to it and kept it in like a sim flame. Now in a different cooking pot, I use the clay pot. You can use any different pan. Melt the remaining ghee and then add mustard seeds to it. Let it splutter. Alternatively, if you don't want to use ghee, you can use any other oil, whichever you prefer. But for keto, because the keto diet has like high in fat, so that's why I've tried to make both to show that how to make it for keto, and then you can also alternatively do whatever the replacement for just the no dal sambar. Now I've added zira, the cumin seeds to it, and the dry red chilies, and some curry leaves, and some hing asafoetida, and fry it for 4 to 5 minutes. Then I've added the remaining onion and also the tomatoes, that is quarter cup was left. So I've added quarter cup of onion and quarter cup of tomato. Cook it for like 4 to 5 minutes. Now I've added brinjal pieces, and see, you can also replace the brinjal with any other vegetables you prefer, like maybe the green beans or radish, whatever you prefer. Here I'm frying the brinjal for a couple of more minutes. Just mix everything well, and I've added little water to it so that the brinjal is cooked properly. Now I'm adding some salt to it. Remember, you've already added salt in the bottle gourd mixture, so add according to the taste and see it. Now I've transferred the mixture, the bottle gourd mixture, to this, and I'll add some more water and let it cook properly. So, and then once it's done, now once it's cooked, you can add the fresh coriander leaves to it, and taste it and see if the salt is needed or not, and then you can season it with it accordingly. And then once it's done, turn off the heat and add lemon juice to it. The reason for adding lemon juice is, in keto you don't use tamarind juice, and if you're not in keto, you can of course add tamarind juice and mix everything once more. And also you can add extra ghee to it. So if you like my video, don't forget to like it, subscribe and share it.